Hey Mike, this is Baruch. I talked to Lacey earlier today about sending this video over to you, explaining what I do and some ways that you can improve your website. So, first thing, content when it comes to Google is a big thing. You guys have a fair amount of content on here, which is good. When I punched it into word counter, you guys had 882 words. Google likes 1,000 to 1,500. So I would add a little bit more to that. One of your competitors, he has about 816, so he needs more as well. But to beat him, you'd probably want to try to get closer to that 1,500 word count. Another thing, uh, content also involves pictures and what they're saved as. So let's see what you guys saved that as. You guys have it untitled, so it'd be good if you went in there and save these as keywords. So, you know, Plumber, Madison, Wisconsin, or some keyword that you want to target for, because it'll help you when it comes to ranking and SEO. A tool I like to use is Ahrefs. It gives you what organic keywords you have, what your traffic is, backlinks, referring domains. Backlinks are big when it comes to SEO. But not all backlinks are created equal. You want backlinks that relate to what you do and what your services are. You do not want some, something like McDonald's linking back to your website because, they are a food service and you are a plumbing service. It won't give you much value at all. You want something something that relates to plumbing, whether it's home improvements or home services or plumbing or something that relates to what you want or in what you do. It'll give you a lot more value. You don't want them all coming from the same domain. So you guys, you have some, but you guys could definitely use, some more. One of your competitors, he has 390 and 64 domains. That's, you guys can beat that. But, his organic keywords, he's got 576. His traffic is 129, and it's gone down this month or recently. But you guys only have 141 and 9 traffic. But you can come in here and look at the keywords and what they are. Your top traffic one is septic versus sewer. Not sure if you want to be ranked for that or not, but your next one is plumber, Oregon, Wisconsin, which is by location based, which is good. I'm guessing you guys do services in Oregon. But I'm not really seeing many Madison ones in here or anything. And these are all, pretty low. And you're also on the second page when it comes to all those, and sometimes the third page. And versus your competitor, when we come and check at theirs are all, you see all these keywords? They're all Madison, Wisconsin plumbers. They're all target specific and location specific because he wants to get, all those people that are coming for that to his website. And he was ranking really well for all of those keywords. He's on the first page, close to the top, or sometimes in the middle, but he's getting some traffic from them. They're okay volume, so he's got his keywords. They're doing good for him, and we want to get yours looking more like that, where better traffic, better keywords, and more people coming to you, more leads. And we also want to get you some more backlinks. So when we come to Google, another thing you'll see here is ads on top. These are a little better ads than these ones. You have to be certified by Google to get these, but it helps reduce some spam that you might get with these ads. But you come down here, you see the Google Map Pack, and then you see organic ranking. When it comes to Google Map Pack, organic ranking is a factor, a pretty big one, but also citations. Citations is a big thing when it comes to that. And when we check your citations versus the number one guy, he's only got 67 citations, but you only have 18. What we can do is we can come in here and check out his citations and see which ones he has, and we can click on them and go there and get every citation that he has we can get for you. And it doesn't have to stop there. We can go get all your competitor citations, get them. We can go to other directories and get you a whole bunch more citations. So then you will have, you'll beat 67 easily, get you to 100, 150, and get you ranked on the Google map. And it doesn't have to stop at 150. We can just keep on going and just keep increasing them every month as we go. Anyways, you're welcome to use that information however you want, and I'll get in touch with you guys soon, and you guys can get in touch with me whenever you want. I'd also appreciate it if you would give me some feedback on what you thought of this video, and have a good rest of your day.